As we all know, sound effects are very important in video editing. Sometimes it's very difficult for you to find a suitable sound effects with just the default sound effects. So what we usually do is to purchase sound effect plugins. For example, I'm using the sound effect plugins in Cinepunch. Thousands of sound effects catered for different type of videos. So how to install them? Just copy all these plugins and then you go to Computer, MacinToch, Library, Audio, Apple Loops, Apple, and then you find Final Cut Pro sound effects and just put them there. And then you just reopen your Final Cut Pro 10 and you can see that all your sound effects are there. Sometimes you have to load a while for all the sound effects to appear because, for example, I have already installed way too many sound effects. So it might take a while. Don't panic when you don't see them. And to uninstall them is very simple. Just remove them from the Finder and that's all you need to do. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.